Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I have some awesome accessories to unbox and show you all. We've got lots of stuff on my desk and all of these accessories are specially made for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus, but they also work with a lot of other phones. Now all these accessories are made by Blitzwolf. This is the Blitzwolf wireless charger for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. Along with that, we also have a few Ampcore Type C cables. We'll check them out later. Let's first start with this one. You've got the Blitzwolf branding and the model is Blitzwolf FWC3. It's a normal 5-watt wireless charger. Let's see what's at the back side. You've got the details over here. It comes in only black color, can take an input of 5V 1.5 amps and give a max output of 5V 1 amp. So these were some of its details. There's nothing else written on the box. Let's get started with the unboxing. I want to thank Blitzwolf for sending me this product for review purpose. Okay, let's open the box and check it out. So here is the Blitzwolf wireless charger sitting right at the top. Let me just take it out. Oh, it's a circular disc. We'll just check it out in a moment. Let's see what else do we have here. We've got some paperwork. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Make sure to read it for the complete instructions. And along with that, you also get a micro USB to USB type cable for the wireless charger. Now let's check out the wireless charger. It comes sealed in this packet. Let me tear it and take it out. So here is the Blitzwolf's new 5-watt wireless charger. And wow guys, just look at the finishing on it. Holy smokes, it looks like a mirror. You've got the Blitzwolf logo at the center. And this is how the back looks like. The whole body is completely made of metal. And you've got 4 rubber foot pads on it. The build quality feels really good. And you've got the details of this charger here. The surface of this charger is made of anti-scratch epoxy material. It looks very reflective and glossy. There's also a sleep-friendly LED status indicator light that tells you the charging status. And you've got a micro USB port on the other side. So that was our overview on the charger. Now let's check out the Blitzwolf Ampcore 2 cables. They're all Type C cables and come in 4 different colors. Let's see what's written on this packet. The model of the cable is BWTC12. It's a 1 meter Type C cable and it also supports fast charging. This is the green color one. Out of all, I really liked the green and the red cables. Which one did you like guys? Okay, let's open the packet and check them out. So this is the Blitzwolf Ampcore 2 cable. The build quality looks very nice. The material used here is plastic and double layer PVC molds. And underneath that PVC, you've got super strong Kevlar wire core. The connector heads are nickel plated and are made to survive more than 10,000 insertions. These cables also come with this magic tape so you can neatly manage and organize your cables. I'll just unwrap it and show you so you'll get an idea how long the cable is. Along with the wireless charger and cables, they also sent me a fast charger for my S9 Plus. It's a quick charge 3.0 charger. The model is BWS6. Let me open the box and show you the charger. It has 2 USB outputs. One is a regular 5V 2.4 amp and the other one is a quick charge 3.0 out. Here it is. Let's put the box aside. So this is the Blitzwolf BWS6 fast charger. The build quality is very good. So as you can see, we have 2 outputs here. One is a regular 2.4 amp out and the other is a quick charge 3.0. Now this charger paired with the Blitzwolf wireless charger is a great combo. Let's connect the wireless charger to the wall and see how it performs. Okay guys, I've connected the Blitzwolf wireless charger. It can charge your phone with or without a case. I'm gonna test it with a case installed on my S9 Plus. So let's put the phone on the charger. Did you see that guys? The LED indicator has started glowing. And also my phone has started charging wirelessly. If the LED indicator is breathing in and out, it means your phone is charging. And when the indicator is glowing constantly, it means your phone is fully charged. I've been using this charger for a while and let me tell you my experience. It's a good wireless charger, very convenient method of charging and also looks stylish. The charging time may vary depending on the device you are using. For my S9 Plus, it took around 5 to 5.5 hours to charge from 0 to 100. It was definitely slow, that's because it's not a fast charger. Blitzwolf has a different model for fast charging, but for the price what you're paying, it was doing a great job. The Ampcore cables are also super tough. They're made to withstand 5000 plus bends and have Kevlar fiber core inside. I've already made a durability test video by towing a car with these cables. You can check out the video in the card above. So that was my video on the new Blitzwolf accessories for the Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. The build quality of these accessories is premium, they do a good job, and they're also reasonably priced. The wireless charger costs about 1100 rupees, each of these Ampcore cables costs 230 rupees, and the fast charger costs about 800 rupees. I'll leave links to them in the description box below, you can check it out there. So that was it for today, thanks for watching this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos, and I'll see you in the next one.